If you're looking for a super soft and comfortable sheet set for your bed, look no further than this right here. This is a 4-piece sheet set and it includes 2 pillowcases, a flat sheet, and a fitted sheet. We have the size king and this is the French gray. These sheets are super comfortable. I actually had a guest use these sheets one night and they asked the next day where I got them because they love them so much. These sheets are also shrink resistant, which makes me feel a little bit better when I throw them into the washer and the dryer. When I do use it in the washer or dryer, I'm just sure to use it on cold water or dry on low. The sheets are also super durable. I wash them every week and I've had them for over a year and we've had no rips or tear and the quality is still great. The pillowcases are a nice standard size and they have an embroidered trim on the side to give them a nice finished look. These sheets fit a mattress anywhere from 8 to 16 inches deep. I really love how soft and smooth these sheets are. I'm able to sleep comfortably every night. Overall, I highly recommend this 4-piece bed sheet set. You'll get everything you need while providing you a lot of comfort. I hope this helps.